Hey everyone, welcome back to another guide video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot be invited as a collaborator problem in Instagram. So let's get into it. For that, open your Instagram application, go to your profile section and go to the start bar. There press settings. And we need to check the tag button, which might disable your cannot be invited as a collaborator feature. Press privacy. And here go to post. Here in allows tags from option, press everyone. Go back. Also make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. So again, let's check this. As you can see, my application is up to date, so I don't need to update this. Now this shall fix the problem. Let's check. Continue with any post you want to upload. Here press tag people and go to invite collaborator option. Type the person's name you want to tag. And you can see this is working. Press right. And now that person is tagged as your collaborator. So that is how you fix your problem. Do follow our page Login Giants. Thank you for watching.